Canvas conferencing allows you to connect with your teacher by connecting through a virtual face-to-face meeting. In this video, we will show you how to connect your device's audio and video to join your teacher for a real-time conversation. Let's begin. To the left of the screen, you will see your course navigation menu. Scroll down and click on Conferences. Here you can see new conferences as well as any concluded conferences you previously participated in. Under New Conferences, find the conference you've been invited to and click Join. A new tab will load, opening the big blue button Program. Please note that you can only join the conference for as long as the Join button is available, and some conferences only allow you to join for a specific amount of time. When the conference page loads, you will first have to choose how you will participate, via microphone or listen only. Listen only allows users to quickly join the conference as a listener, with no microphone check. However, you can change your audio preference once you've joined the conference. To join audio, you will see a prompt just below the address bar asking for permission to access your microphone. Click the Allow button. It is recommended that you use a headset with a microphone for best audio experience. To ensure your audio is working correctly, complete the private audio echo test. Speak a few words, and if you hear audio, click the Yes button. To choose a different microphone and repeat the audio test, click the No button. To share your webcam, click the Share Webcam button in the bottom navigation bar. To share video, you will see a prompt just below the address bar asking for permission to access your camera. Click the Allow button. Choose your webcam from the camera list, then click the Start Sharing button. Your teacher can now see you in the conference. Once you are finished, you can click the three dots in the top right and click Log Out. You can close the tab and return to Canvas.